Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to liquefy an image in Canva. If you want to add a creative twist to your designs, Canva's Liquify tool is a fantastic way to distort images and create dynamic effects. To start, select an image either from Canva's Elements tab or upload your own. For this example, I'm using a photo of a car. Once your image is selected, go to the top left corner, click Edit Image, scroll down until you find Liquify, then click See All to access the full range of effects. Canva offers several options like shake, flow, smear, smudge, melt, whirl, spin, and wobble, each producing a unique style of distortion. To refine an effect, click it again to adjust the amount and size, controlling how subtle or dramatic the transformation appears. You can combine multiple effects for a more artistic result or keep it simple for a subtle shift. With a bit of experimentation, liquefying images can completely transform your design, making it more dynamic, eye-catching, and professional looking, all without leaving Canva. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.